What up, Ahsan Nation, and welcome to another video, guys. Right up, welcome back to Ahsan, guys. As you can see behind me, we are here in a Pempek shop, Pempek Saga, guys. This is one of Palembang's delicacy, and it's actually really nice. Well, you don't know yet because I'm not there, but I'll show you guys right after this. So it's gonna be a nice one, guys. Alrighty, guys, we're here in the one and only Pempek restaurant. As you can see how many things there is, man. It's literally model, tautan, lengan, panggang, and mix. Like so many variations which I'm gonna try after this. Also with the side of es jeruk and es kacang and es campur. One of each. I don't know which one's which, but anyways, I'm gonna dig in right after this. So guys, I'm gonna try the lengang first. As you can see, this is the specialty only in the one and only Palembang, guys. My parents grew up. The best thing you can have in Palembang. Right now I'm gonna try it. Dip it with the, you can see. Then beautiful sauce here. What is it, mom?
Cukup.
Yes, it is. Gonna be delicious. Let's go. Alright, guys, as you can see, I have banggang in front of me here. Look at this. It's inside with maybe there was shrimp in there, with the actual ketchup in there, guys. And cukup. I'm gonna taste this. As you can see, the material. Look at that. The coating is different. So I'm gonna taste it right now. Can't even speak. Too good. Well, there's different variations on Pempek too. There's egg, which is normal, but it's actually really good. One of the favorites over here, guys. Dip on the sauce. They're all good. I'm just gonna enjoy this, guys.